This video we'll see how we can copy one file and how we can move one file. Okay, so for this case we are in our file project directory. Okay, and here we are in our project directory. So let's make one site or directory, make directory called CSS. So CSS is created. Make one file, copy con index.html. Okay, press enter, and then you can see this file is created. Now control C is done, operation done. So now let's create one another file called copy con style.css. Okay, enter, then you can see style.css is created. Now what I want to do, I want to copy this file to this CSS folder. Okay, now you can see inside this CSS folder style.css is not there, so I want to copy this and paste it here. Okay, so for to do that, copy, I'm writing copy, and then the file name. Okay, style.css, and then where I want to paste it, the folder name is CSS. One file is copied, so you can see style.css. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to delete from this one. Okay, so del style.css. Okay, I have deleted this one. Delete style.css. Could not find the style.css. Style.css. Okay, I made the mistake. Okay, I have to enter cd css file. Okay, now I'm going to delete style.css. Okay, so you can see I have deleted the style.css. So now what I'm going to do, I am going to create another style.css here, and I am going to move this one to to CSS folder. Okay, so to create a file here, I have to go back to this directory. So cd slash. So now I am in this folder. Okay, Udemy Sass. So now copy con style.css. Okay, so I have created style.css. So in just few times ago I have shown you that to copy, okay, to copy one file to another folder, you have to write copy style.css and then css. If you write this one, then this file will be copied to this folder. So in now I am to move this one. So for move, okay, if you want to do move, so you have to write move, then folder name file name style.css, and then the folder name. So you can see the file is moved. So we are almost ready to do Sass. So in next lecture or next section we'll start doing Sass. So if till now if you are having any problem or any question, just put question in question section, I will answer. Thank you.